When you're using a new piece of software, do you ever have a fear that you're going to mess something up or accidentally delete something you're not supposed to? Well, SmartSuite can put those fears to rest. Hi, I'm Dan Lehman from AutomationHelpers.com, a SmartSuite implementation partner. I can access my recycle bin from a couple different places. Right now, I'm inside of a solution, and I can click this button here to choose our recycle bin. And by default, this is going to be filtered both by me and for the solution that I'm currently in. But I can also access this if I'm back in my main workspace, and I can click on my avatar at the top and also access the recycle bin. When I do it here, I'm actually going to see across all solutions. And I can do this either way. I mean, essentially, I can click here and filter down on a particular solution, or when I'm in a solution, we could see it globally. But this just makes it easier to be able to access it wherever I'm at inside of SmartSuite. You'll notice that we can also filter things down to individual members. Maybe I just want to see the things that I deleted. I can also search here. And so I can find individual records or fields that are here. So you'll notice a couple things. One is that we can restore records, but also fields and apps that we have. This makes it so helpful that we don't have to worry when we're configuring a solution that if we remove a field and we're like, oh, actually we needed that, we can restore it. You'll also see when you made those changes and how long you have to restore that based on the current plan that you're on. Now, if it's a record that we're talking about, you can actually click and see the information in this record. So this is super handy to have. I haven't seen many solutions that make restoring records this easy to be able to actually look at the underlying data. And then, of course, you can restore those records. And to restore items, it's just a single click. You can click restore, and that record's back, good to go. Or we can take a field and we can restore a field as well. Now, if for some reason, maybe you've got some information that has to be completely deleted, you don't want it to live here in the recycle bin, you can do that as well. We can say delete this record permanently. So if maybe someone, a contact in your database said, hey, I want nothing to do with you, remove me from your list, you can delete that permanently and it is gone at this point. So recycle bin is a nice way to be able to not have to worry about changes that you're making to the system. If you accidentally make a mistake, really easy to restore those records and fields.